Look, I know there's a lot of advice out there from other coaches telling you exactly what your coaching program should look like, be delivered, etc., etc. Well, look, we're going to push that to the side and I'm going to share with you a 3-step process on how you can create a coaching program that aligns with your personality, with your values, and your mission. All right. So, hey guys, my name is Elise Michelle, and I am a marketing coach for coaches. And I help coaches just like you create marketing plans and strategies that will attract paying clients, get people to sign up for your coaching program, and even if you have a membership, enroll people into your membership the easy way. All right. So, all right, guys, here's what I'm going to share. I'm going to share with you the 3-step process that I use and I share with my clients to create coaching programs and digital products and anything else that you're selling that align with what they want, their personality, their values, and mission. Okay. So the first step to creating a coaching program that aligns with who you are, it all starts with really taking a deep dive in what is it that you want to deliver. Yeah, what is it that you want to deliver? What is your value? What is your mission? What is it that you want to help people do? What do you want the transformation for your clients to be? Then start there. No matter what other coaches are doing, what you see your mentors doing, you have the opportunity and the responsibility to create a course that aligns with who you are. And it's easier than you think because it's already inside of you. You know that. You know what it is that you want. And a lot of times we look at what other coaches are doing and we're thinking that we should do what they're doing. Nah, you do what fits right with you, because that's the first step in creating a coaching program that aligns with who you are. Number 2 is to decide on the way you want to deliver it, right? This is one of the questions that I get a lot. A lot of my coaches and my club members ask me, "Hey, Lise, how do I deliver it? What type of format?" And I say, well, which format do you like the best? And here's how I decide. So if you are a speaker and you love to get in front of the camera, so guess what? You can deliver your coaching program by video. But maybe you love to speak, but you're just a little uncomfortable in front of the camera. You can create a coaching program that is audio based. And you guys know audio is awesome because Clubhouse is like the newest social media platform. So people love audio as well as podcasting, okay? And maybe you're like, okay, I'm not really a great speaker, but I can write me up something. Then your coaching program can be in a written form. Did I say that right? In a written form. And it's okay to set it up that way, okay? So all you have to do is to choose. And guess what? If you want a little bit of both, you can mix it as well, because this is your coaching program and you know best, the best way to deliver it, okay? The third step is pricing. If I can have $1 for every time someone asks me about pricing, I would be like a millionaire, okay? But let me just tell you guys this. Pricing, again, fluctuates. There is no science or a magic pill to the perfect pricing because everyone's target market is different. And to let you know that pricing goes in phases. Maybe you have a release of a new coaching program that you just want to get people in just to test it out. Maybe that's the lowest price point. Or maybe you want to start really high and then work your pricing down. It's all up to you in your target market. Maybe you have a budget-friendly target market. Okay, then your price doesn't have to be $5,000. Well, maybe you have a very high-end clientele and they expect to pay more. I mean, there is no perfect formula for it. You have to test out what the pricing is, right? And if you ask me, if you get on the call and say, "Hey, Lise, what my pricing is," I'm going to again ask you, so what is it that your target market is willing to pay for? It's that simple, right? So those are the 3 simplest steps that I use to create a coaching program that aligns with my personality, my values, and missions. So let me know if that tip helped you. Put your tip or your suggestion or question down in the comments below. All right, guys, y'all have an awesome and blessed day. Talk to you later. Peace out.